Good evening all, and today we start the session on customer master file. Before the customer master file, uh, all you check your system. Have you completed on the all chart of accounts in the sectional wise? Uh, click on account list. Click on account list. Check whether you completed all the asset account. In the asset section, there are different headings available under the assets, non-current assets, and current assets, and cash equivalent, and some other accounts are available. And under the liability, we completed in the main liability account and VAT liabilities, the GST collect account and the GST paid account. Change and rename the account by VAT collect and VAT paid, and payroll payables account under customer deposit and sales tax payable, and other the necessary accounts are available. Is it complete by all? Completed? Will you complete? And equity accounts, under the equity we rename the share capital, retained earning, current earning, and historical earnings. That these the three accounts are integrated link accounts. Under the income, the newly be created by the all income account. Equipment sale income, select on this first income account and click on edit option. Look at the setting part. So this is an unlinked account. Whatever the accounts you have to be edited, go to the edit mode and edit on this account, either account number or the account name, or detail account or head account. And main cost of sales accounts are there. Cost of goods sale and cost of goods account and cost of service account. And expense account, there are large number of expense account in your case, in your system available. Only I create the few accounts. Look at your tutorial. There are administration expenses, selling and distribution expenses, and financial expenses, like this. And other income, what are the other income account? Click on other income. Tell me, what are the other income available in this company? There's no other income account. Is it there? Tell me. Interest income. How you create the new account for the newcomers? Click on new, go to the other income section and give the account ID. What's account ID in given this tutorial? 1000. The income account name, interest income. Like this. This is a head account or detail account. Detail account. This interest income actually not liable by the VAT. Is liable by the withholding tax. No, withholding deduction, like this. So you have to be edited this account like a withholding payable, like this, like that. And there are other income accounts also available, no, but created by this income account. And other expenses, what are other in the heading 9, 4 zeros are the expense account. Then what are the sub account? Sorry, income taxes. Go to the new other expenses account ID number 1000 income tax. Sorry, 2000 income tax 2000. Actually, not liable in the VAT, no, not liable in VAT. Select not reportable, not reportable income tax payment. Click OK. Then finalize your the main accounts in the your nominal ledger. This is your general ledger, nominal ledger, asset, liability, equity. These three accounts having a opening and closing balances and goes to the your financial position statement. This income, cost of sale, expense, other income and other expenses goes to a P&L, profit and loss account or comprehensive income statement. Fully clear by all? Right. Now, if you are not completed by these sections at your home, you log into the system completed by this all type of account. Now today we'll start on the new section on creating a card file. The card file means customers and suppliers. First you click on here in the card option, card file option. Under the card file option, there are two types of cards available. Cards mean customers and suppliers, master files. Look at it. Card list, all cards, customer cards, supplier cards. The employees and the personals are there, like agents. Right. Before setting the customer and the supplier cards or master file, you have to do the some setting part, the setup option. First you click on here setup option, okay. Click on link account, links account. Under the link account, select here sales account, sales account. Refer this application form. The integrated application form or link application form, asset account for tracking receivables. This receivable account, the automatically integrated with the trade data account. Is it correct? No? Our data account. Understand? Now, check account for customer receipts. Receipts means the customer collection. Directly integrated to the my main bank account. Whatever the bank account, you can integrate it from here. If you are a commercial bank, People's Bank like this, the collection account you have to be integrated on the this. But anyway, you have to be keep in your mind this is the integrated account, link account. It's the main integration. A debit to the collection account and credit to the data account at the collection point. Right, student? In the next section, look at here. Freight integration. Freight on sales. Collect from customers. Discount given to the customer for a early settlement. And get the premium additional charges from late payment. These are the transactions that will have to be integrated with our ledgers. First you click on here, I charge, I mean the company. I charge, okay, freight on sales. Click on, look at it, income account for freight. Click on this down arrow, then open your general ledger. From the general ledger, turn to your income section. One collection account, I charge freight on sales, income account. That account not created in the system. Is it correct? Is it correct? Right. Now you take the notebook or your tutorial. The major income accounts are there. Main income, equipment sale, cricket lesson, ground fees, repair, equipment hire. 1,500, then give the new number 1,600 for freight charges create under the income section. Click on new, in the account classification, select income account. Section number 4. Clear? Under the section number 4. The new account number given here 1,600. Freight collection no income something. Freight collection no income. Or freight charges. There are two types of freight actually. At the purchase, we have to be paid for our supply, and the item the customers settle and getting the item from company. The company have to be charged by the freight. You decide that this income, this freight collection, freight charges are liable on VAT. Then collect the VAT from these freight charges. Or your company policy is to not to charge the value-added tax on freight collection, not reportable, 0%. You decide. Click OK. Now you click on here, select your income section, freight collection account are there. Use this account. Complete that section. First you have to create the new account, freight charges under the income section. This is the way you develop your account set, the step by step. So basically we develop the main account, then later on develop the other necessary account. Right, next. I track deposit collected from my customers. Student, this deposit mean actually customer payment. Customer payment in the sense by advance payment. deposits. This deposit, the company side, our liability. You know, the customer paying the some fees amount without taking the service or item. Actually, this is our liability. Now you click on here, chart of account, chart of account. Go to the liability section. Already we create custom deposit, customer deposit. Under the liability, try to understand. This is our liability. The customer pays in advance deposit. Use this account, customer deposit. Clear? Next. I give discount for early settlement. Early settlement. This will be expenses of cost of sale to the company. Discount given or discount allowed. Discount allowed. Click on this arrow. Look at your chart of account. You created this discount allowed under the cost of sale section. No. No. And you check on your expense section. Discount allowed in your expense section. In the company side, given to the customers by early settlement. This option. The customer settle the early settlement, company given a discount. Not trade discount, cash discount. Use this account. Three integration are there. The last one, the final integration. I assess charges from late payment. This discount different from the late payment. This freight charges from the late payment. The freight means like a delivery charges. Dispatch the item from company to the customer warehouse. This is called a customer paying on the late delay payment. Click on income account. Look at here under the income. Late charge account is there. Is it there? No. In my case, no. Understood? Last one, freight collection. Now I create new account 1700. New under the classification income section 4 1700 late charges or late charge income. You decide. These late charges are charged on VAT. That option in your company. Whether you charge on VAT, active. Otherwise, not reportable, 0%. Not charged on the VAT or late charges. Your accounting people in your company, you decide on them. Okay. Then click on down arrow. Under the income section, late charges. Complete. Student, take on this screenshot and attach to the Word document. How you take this screenshot? Click on the front, control full screen. Click on control full screen. Go to uh, your Word document. Click on your then control B. Look at here. Control B. And easily you can develop your lecture note. Here also another provision to crop this image. Go to the format, then go to the crop tool, crop. Then remove the unnecessary area like this by using the crop tool. Clear? Then this lecture note you can add to your email after completed by lecture note. In each day you have to be open the Word document and develop your own note. How to integrate around customers with the sales or sales integration. Control print screen or use the copy this image and go to the Word, paste it or control V. Then easily you can refer this detail at your home. You can resize this image like this. Either small or large. Right. Complete by all. Then click OK. The second integration complete. For the sale integration, sale ledger integrated. Before the customer master file, you have to be complete on the sales integration with the customers. Now you open the today tutorial. SAP Cricket Private Limited, the customer card tutorial. Customer card tutorial. Right. The customer detail. In the first section, the customer profile detail. and customer selling detail and terms and conditions. The terms and conditions. The three sections are there. General detail for profile and the selling detail and customer terms and credit details are there. Fine. Now, click on your card option, card file, card list option. From the card list option, select the customer card option. No customer in my database, no. Zero customer. Look at it, found zero. Now click on here in the down, new option. New. Card type, there are four types. Customer, supplier, employee, person. Select the customer type. Student, you have to be decide and you have to be decide this customer is the designing on like a company customer or individual customer. Right? This is a private limited. Then I decide on company customer. The company name, the Keynes High School. This is school. Keynes High School. Type. Keynes High School. Then go to the customer ID. In the customer ID, in the asterisk mark none. But even in my tutorial given none ID. But you have to be at the customer ID, like here. Identify the customers in order. This is my first customer. Then I give the CUS like this. Customer 001. Then easily you can search the customer in the future by using this CUS 001. Then bill detail, address detail. In the address, number 23/02, duplication road, Colombo. Colombo. City, Colombo. Actually, no, state, we put like Colombo district or Western province. Western province. In the Colombo district, postal code 01. Country, Sri Lanka. This for the profile detail. State Colombo. Okay, you type. Yeah, small modification. Where the distribute होगा duplication road? No. State. Actually no state in the Sri Lanka actually we use by the Western province. Okay. City put the Colombo. Address, actually this is the address number 23/02 duplication road. State and the city, you put the Colombo and Western province. Here the mistakes on the tutorial. And also you add the your contact detail by the phone numbers, like land number, like mobile numbers, any other contact, like fax, like email. We'll use actual email by Keen's High School at gmail.com or something. Keen's at Gmail, like this. Website www.keens.lk, like this. No salutation, actually contact by like name. Mm, you put your friend's name, like Supun, one of your lecturer. Contact. This is called the background detail of this customer. Student, look at the in the right corner. Here the option available is active and inactive. If you click on here tick mark, the system asks whether you identify this record is inactive. Inactive means you are not able to do in the transaction with this customer. Remove active customer. Put the tick mark, then inactive customer. Right. Now click on here selling detail. Selling detail. Look at your selling detail. Sales layout, item layout. Select from here layout, item layout. There are different layouts. Item layout. Then printed form you can decide on here. Item price level. Look at here. There are different price level you can apply for this custom. I take the first one, base selling price. Right. Student, very important point here. The customer integrated to your income account. How many income account? According to your memory, I think 4 or 5 income accounts are there. Cricket lesson and equipment sale, service, like this. From the available in the click on it. Look at the income account. From this income, you integrated basically which income integrated to this customer. Let's say Keen's High School basically get the cricket lesson income or equipment sale income. Then you have to be integrated from beginning for this such income account. Later you can be modified. Like this customer taking on the equipment higher income, then change the integration name to the equipment higher income and do the transaction. Right. In the beginning, I select equipment sale income. Use this account. The basic setting. Salesperson, you know the salesperson, agent, sales comment, like this you put it on it. Then mode of delivery. In a foreign customer, delivered on the shipping, air freighting, like this. The Australian Post, the local customers, courier, hand delivery, like this. The front door. There are other method you can add the way of delivery. the pickup, UPS, like this. Basically, you decide from this customer, local customer or foreign customer, you decide which method used for the delivery on this item. This is the local one, no? I select here courier. There are some no methods to deliver by the item by the service. Customer billing rate, especially by your consultation firm, use given to the like your audit firm, engineering firm, whatever the consultancy service, you have to be add on customer billing rate for per hour, per day, like this. They are not applicable. Student, you have to be put on credit limit. A tutorial given in 50,000, but you have to be at a little bit more amount. I'll add one zeros, 500,000. Otherwise, when you do the transaction with this particular customer, system automatically giving the message credit limit not enough. Credit limit not enough. Don't be fill the detail on ABN. Eh? It's not in the Sri Lankan context. No ABN, no ABN branch. If you know the customer tax ID, you can put the tax ID here. Look at here. Now this customer liable to pay on VAT and VAT on trade charges. You decide this customer is not liable for VAT, then get on the not reportable. Clear? Not reportable. There's no hard and fast rule. Everything are depend on the practice, the company experience. Third section, payment detail. There are different payment detail here. Click on this down arrow. Day of month after EOA, OCD, prepaid, in a given at number of days, on a day of month, like this. There are different application followed by the different entities. In this tutorial given by here, given a number of days. Just to select here, given a number of days. Next, a discount given in 30 days, so 7 days, one week. Discount in 7 days. All days, balance the customer have to be settled. 30 days mean 1 month. 30 days mean 1 month. Then customer settle within 1 week. The customer getting on the early discount. In the early discount on 1%. 1% for the early discount. Monthly charges for the late payment, the most of the companies charge the penalty. You have to be on this customer. We will not be charged on penalty charges, late charges, and volume of discount given on here 12%. Commission. This information will be different from customer to customer. We call setting on customer default. Master file detail. But complete the profile, then click on card detail. Card detail. Student, look at it, this the empty box. Double click on this area. You can add the customer company logo, product logo. Click on it, product logo, something. to this photo size, image size. Here link, you have to, this actually is company logo or something, you have to be insert to your computer. Then from the computer, you use this link and this detail given to you, like the image of the company, like a photograph, like a company logo, like a product logo. You can add on by using the link detail. Actually, when you click on link detail, it's open the folders. From the folders, you select the relevant customers detail. Cancel. Then whatever the notes you can put under this note section. Custom list you can add. There are different custom lists you can add, like foreign customers, local customers, wholesale customers, retail customers, like this. Under the card detail, profile complete, card complete, and selling detail complete. Now you click on payment detail. Payment detail. You decide this customer paying on the method. Either the basically paid on cash on check method. Either paid on a bank card method or whatever the method you decide. I decide here check method. Then the system asks the company account number. The company client customers account number. You type something here. Account number. The account name, like current account. Current account. Current account dash Sampa. Any other note relevant to the payment detail, you can add the detail here. Next, contact log detail. Student, you know that the contact log you can maintain, the log entry. You can create the new log by using the new log entry. Look at here. For a specific project meeting, like customer monthly meeting, the pocket meeting, you can design on this system. You decide the date, customer, put the note, the elapsed time mean the end time, the reactor date, everything you can set in on here. Then record. So automatically system record the meetings. Whether it's the recurrent meeting or the one-time meeting, you decide on that. Under the log detail. Under the new detail, you can put the new login. The job. You can develop a job for this specific customer. Like this is the project. Then you decide which project is relevant to this particular King's High School customer. Under the view detail, there are project completion. Oh, the completed all jobs, 100% complete or all jobs. You decide that. Then give the project detail here. Then end of the period, the system will calculate the job profitability. Job profitability. All options available in here. Now you click on your history detail. Let's say customers from since like 2000. The average payment detail. Highest investment amount like this. You can enter down here. This outstanding actually filled by the system after incorporating your system beginning balance. Still we are not update the balances now. After updating these balances, automatically this detail taken to here. Whether this outstanding relevant to 23 or 24, these sections will be updated. Clear? Right, again, profile, click one by one. Any questions or any unclear area? This is the time to clarify that. Card detail, selling detail, lot of setting part in the selling, and payment detail, contact detail, the contact period set on here. But here this actually online system updated on the dates 24 jobs history. Any questions? Right, then click OK. Now you create the first customer found on the one customer here. One. Clear? Right. Shall we start the second one? Right. Click new customer type to check the detail here. Don't worry about the actually I think I in my case open by the with the balances. Later we'll insert on the balances. Next. Queen's Girls College in the second customer. Right. Develop this customer. Queen's Girls. Sorry. Click on tab, then give the CUS002. The code designed by you. Then fill the address detail. Now I complete the transaction, the filing a little bit quick. 75 DP address Park Avenue, city actually Colombo, country Sri Lanka. Park Avenue, then enter Colombo, Western Province, postal code 01, country Sri Lanka. Fill the detail under the contact 1 and contact 2, one mobile land number and one mobile number for contact purpose. Right. Then turn to the card detail, selling detail, under the sale layout, item layout, select the base selling price, integrated with one of the suitable income account. I select the cricket lesson income or something. In practically, you know that. Practically, this customer taking this item from the ticket lesson or the what equipment income like this. Uh, Actually, cricket less. Look at it. When you select cricket lesson income, there is no shipping method. No delivery mode. Here you can add the base selling price on this cricket lesson income, like per hour rate. Later I'll teach you. Add on the credit limit for this customer. I have given on the small amount 25,000. I had one zeros and 250,000. Then available credit limit also 250,000. Complete the payment detail, terms, the payment due on days after year end, discounting first and EOM, end of month, end of month. Then early discount by 5% and balance 0. No late payment, no discount. Under the payment detail, set the payment method by check method. Give this account detail. Not all detail contain your tutorial. Actually, we can't set the whole detail in the tutorial. Right. After complete, click OK. Now second customer complete. Right. Start to next customers. Customer number 3. Now start Wisdom International Institute. Complete balance customers. Use the customer ID. Customer 003. The pass is size. Wisdom International Institute. And easily you can build by the customer because the similar names are there in the customer. Then give the unique code number. Fill this detail. Profile detail. Fill the address, city, state and country with the postal code and the contact detail. You develop a tax number and the email and website for this customer by given this customer name wisdom international at gmail.com like this www.wisdom.lk like this. Then selling detail. One shouldn't ask a question. In basically, either you can select on this income account or you can skip that section. But this integration actually will not happen in the future. When you do the transaction with this customer, automatically this integration taken to this particular account. If you are selling on a different the revenue sections, you have to be further add on this revenue income account at the transaction time, then upgrade it in your income account. Understand that section. Otherwise, you can escape. Like here, keep on blank. Then there's no basic integration there. And practically, the company know that this customer like Wisdom International taking on the one item or more. You decide. Given on the credit limit, very important point. In the credit limit in this customer by not 20,000, increase this 200,000. Right? Then fill the terms and conditions and payment detail and click OK. Save this customer. Right. Right. Now we continue the balance customers. Customer for Galle National College. Set up the customer. Inform to the absent student. Refer this the videos and set up their databases. After 2 or 3 weeks, we will conduct on your mid exam. In the mid exam, we will conduct it on by using the same databases. Before the mid exam, all students have to be completed by all information in this tutorial. With the paper given on this particular day, after completed on transactions and the detail, we will take on the backup file. This backup file we will allocate on a 25 marks. Continuous assessment. Right. Computer student. Create the last customer by given cash sales or cash customer. We'll see. Ready? New customer, customer, right? Select on individual, individual. Then you can develop like given last name and first name. This is developing on the individual customer detail. If you create on a company detail for the cash customer, develop like company. Given on a cash customer. The both case you can use individual customer for the cash sales. Given the code CUS 005, no? 005. Actually, no address detail and all. This is common to all. No contact numbers. Go to the selling detail. Whether you sell to the customers by service, item, no default. Either used by the base selling price, no income account price. Because of that, we sell generate the different revenue and set on the credit limit like 200,000. So credit the credit limit on customer. In the payment detail, select on here in cash. Actually, don't misunderstand the cash customers are doing on the check sale. But at the moment, I select on the cash sales. Right? In the profile detail, customer, name cash customer, give the customer code, no other detail. In the selling detail, set on the credit limit. You decide time to time. This the cash customers given on the early discount, late charges, volume of discount. The payment detail now I select on your cash. Then click OK. Complete the cash customer. This cash customer future we will use for the individual sales, not by the regular customers like King Science School, Quiz Girls College, Wisdom. There are some other customers though. What there? Gamble National College, like this. Any question? Take the winner. Now you are available in the 5 customers inside school. Queen's Girls College, and Wisdom International Institute. Right. Student, now we will take the few minutes to discuss the group activity. Start from your group activity. Take your notebook. Note down this important detail. They are given your project detail. Project mean your group assignment. Right. Before this information, tell me already you create your groups. How many members in a group? 4. Okay, enough. Before create the listen me. Before create the group, by your group members, you decide for the ERP project assignment whether you having the access to the information system in the one particular entity apart from this the 4 members. Actually you get this the specs girl, she's working in the what do you call the banks, no, there's no permissions to access the databases, collect the detail. So you decide that next girl working the audit firm, very easily you have a contact with the audit the clients. That we select the client. Either you, what's your name? Nanak. What's your name? Jeevant. You are working somewhere, you are easily access to your databases, your company detail. Or else you may having some contact with your friend, your relatives, whatever the contacts, uh, is it easy to complete your project. Right. This is the basic project detail guideline here. Right. Maximum number of students in the one group, 4 to 5 members. Actually here, less number of students. Actually, some groups having more than 55, 60, 70 students. So anyway, only allowing for this practical, it's a practical project now. This practical project allowed to the 4 to 5 members. The nice group size 3 to 4. Because of that, then you can work hardly. This project completed on the 3 sections. Today we will discuss on the part number 1 in this project. Student, by your group members, your friends, you have to go to the industry and find the suitable entity, company for your project activity. Don't go for the large or big scale company. This large scale company like banks, public limited companies, the multinational companies, diversified group, that company will not be provide the enough detail to you. And you don't have access to their information system, the finance entity like this. So better to you select small kind of entity business running at your village, your hometown. Let us take the example like the ornaments manufacturing company, toys manufacturing company. In previous, the students are did this project. Like by using the waste papers, the the group of girls are producing envelopes, cards like this, and some other students are select on the like curry powder manufacturing company, developing company, and whatever the spicy related product, and also the what do you call that dairy related product. The village people are doing like the Kukuregal area, and using the rubber, the latex related small items. What is and using the fish related product companies and the coir related companies, oil farming companies, If your village, this company, and by using the choir, the some students are selecting what do you call that? We call like manufacturing of net by using the choir. And what else? And compost related companies, the waste item, and some hotels, some restaurant, or some other product, like by using the wasted item, the papers, wasted papers, they're developing something. By using the another very interesting project, by getting on the banana leaf, they're producing like a lunch sheet. This kind of small business enterprises are in your village. You imagine. The anyhow, students required to select a better, not compulsory, to manufacturing based entity. If you are going for the big company, some other companies are both components are there. By producing something, manufacturing something, and providing service to the customers. The both things are there. The items sale and service income. Anyhow, you have to be select a manufacturing or service related company situated in your hometown, your village, and some other shoe manufacturing companies, slippers manufacturing company like DS, and some other the pipe, the PVC pipe, and some other the iron related products, aluminium related products. Understood? Better you select a sole proprietorship or private limited or partnership company. Don't go for the PLC company. Can, but you should be having the chances to access their information system. After selecting by this particular entity, don't tell me, sir, they are not given a detail to us at this point. Select your financial year by 24-25. Is the current financial year. Next. Then, together with your group members, students, you have to be find this detail. The company background information for the selected entity. The maximum you can use the 1 to 2 page for explaining this company detail, background detail. Don't take unnecessary spaces or pages to explain the company detail. Like the company introduction, background, what they produced, what are the main product or service they available, the company vision and mission, the company, the what do you call the ownership style, like whether it's a private limited company, public limited company, their capital, their ownership like this, and their organization hierarchy. Student, you have to be presented on the important detail. Don't go for their website. Don't copy and paste the detail. You summarize this detail. Otherwise, I know that when I giving a chances to the student to explain the background, they will take more than 25 pages to explain the background. There's actually no project. Only the company details are there. The maximum one or 1.5 page enough. But understood? Add some important what you call the images. like company, logo, the product detail, image, like this. The details are given on here. Under the company profile, presented on the company name, company address, the contact detail, start in month. What do you mean by start in month? Whether you start, look at it, whether your financial period on 2024-25, then start on the what do you call the transactions of so the business financial period on 1st April 2024. Then the last month in the March. One example. Another example. If you select your starting month on September, '24, then your last month, August, in 22, so 24. Got this point? Likewise, because of that, don't know whether you select the period on the start. Actually, this is called a conversion month, system conversion month. You have freedom to select your conversion month and last month. Either this company operated on 1st April to next year March. You decide on that. Our system, in our project, system will convert it on month of June, month of May, like this. Is it clear by all? Then product and service produced by this company. From here, shouldn't you select major product or service? Major. What I mean by major, there are series of product available. Maybe 20-30 item in the finished good. Don't be select all the finished good item. What are the main product you selling to your customer? Major product sell to customer. Understood? Selling to your customer. Or major product or service. Major product or service sell to your customer. You have to be selecting this project. Because of that, the time is not enough to complete the project when you select all the products. Only I test and evaluate the sample information from selected entity company. Is it clear? Next, collect the following basic information or detail from selected organization. Here, already I explained the company name and address. Select your financial period. You should not need to given by posting method. Type of company, industry, business type for a financial period. With this here, starting month and closing month, last month. When you select this basic detail, students, you have to be focused on this important detail. Very important point. collect general or nominal ledger information. Actually, we call chart of account or account list. What do you mean by chart of account or account list? Here, this section. Account list section. Assets, liability, equity, income, like this. In the practical company, there are large number of assets, expenses, and liability accounts are there. Don't be select all assets, all expenses. You have to be summarize your trial balance after taking on the trial balance detail on that way. Maximum accounts 50 enough, 50 or 55, because of based on the actually this what do you call the full-time students given like little bit more, because of they are the full-time student, no, they have enough time. They are the part-timers, no more time. Actually 50 enough. 30 balance sheet item and 20 P&L item. That's two enough. Got this point? Under the balance sheet item, asset, liability, and equity. Under the P&L item, income, expense, cost of sales, and other income and expenses. Student, with the opening balance, the selected date, your beginning date. I will hope that everyone understand this. The point. The beginning date, trial balance. Remove all unnecessary accounts or duplicated or similar type account. Got this point? Example, in your trial balance or chart of account, there are accounts are in the nil account. Nil account means zero balance. So you remove this nil account, zero account. Number two. Some accounts are in the ledger, especially in the P&L, profit and loss account. Let's get one example. Under the maintenance, there are 4-5 maintenance accounts. You have to be summarized, get the total on one account maintenance. Another example, under the salary, director salary, executive salary, junior staff salary, workers salary, like this. There are large number of salary accounts and EPF and EDF. You have to be summarized with one salary account, one EPF, one EPF. Understood? Remove the unnecessary accounts or duplicated or similar type of. At this point, understood? The large number of accounts you have to be finalized 50 from the 30 from balance sheet and 20 from. Next, number 5. Under the account receivable section, today we will discuss. Just now we complete on the account receivable detail. Select major. What do you mean by major? Mean main. In a company, there are large number of debtors, more than 5,000, 6,000 debtors. So you will be select the major 3 or 4. That's enough. Customers from this company with the opening balance. What are the important details you have to be select in here? These are the details you have to be collect. Under the customer name. These are the details, no? These are the. I go for the one customer. Edit. These are the details you have to be collected. Credit limit and all. Important detail. Got this point? Right. Look at it again. Under the data section, 3 or 4 major data. That's enough. With the customer detail and the beginning balance. Actually, look at here in my tutorial. This is my beginning detail. Here. Look at here. This is the beginning detail. What do you mean by beginning detail? Outstanding. So when you convert the transactions and detail by the 1st April, look at the outstanding balances are there. Select 1 or 2 outstanding balance. Clear? Next. Accounts payable. What do you mean by accounts payable? Supplier. Under the supplier sections, similar to that, collect the 3 or 4 major creditors. 3 or major creditors with the supplier outstanding balance. This is the project step number 1. Will given on you by the 2 weeks time. After the election, I will check your detail. You have enough time. Then you have to be summarize this all detail with the Word document. Okay? Then we will conduct on the first presentation with this detail in the Word document. Then if you are completed properly with this detail, permissions to you to enter this detail to this MyOB system. Then we will start on the second step. If you are not successfully complete the step number 1, I am not permit to you to complete the step number 2. Got this point? With parallel to this classroom discussion by yourself, you have to be develop the company detail from the industry. This is the way we learn this software. The end of the period, students should be able to develop one databases for the industry for the one particular entity. This is my output of this subject, the project output. Not like downloading and copy and pasting the details. Develop on the Word document. At any time I can amend your detail. By agreed by all? How many groups? 4 groups. You have to be appointed group leader after this break. Right? Group leader, always you have to be keep with me and pass your information to the system by the network. We will evaluate your database. Then at the parallelly, after completed by the step number 1, you have to be develop this detail on the system by using the separate CAM number. I'll teach you how to develop by using the multiple access method. Multi-access means in your group consists of 4 members. At any free time, one of the members can develop the database by using the multiple access method, multi-user module. I will teach you. Understood? Right. These are the project guidelines. Step number 1. Completed those details with a 2 weeks period of time. After the mid-exam, we will conduct on your first presentation. This will be continued until to the week number 13. Not like other subjects. Step by step, we will develop a database. Right. Student, now you take the small break. After the break, we will turn to the any other question regarding your project. After the break, your group members, you can come and meet me. I'll explain the important topic. Right.